Hi, Anthony here. I wanted to introduce you to my affiliate program. If you joined our VIP through WAP, log into your WAP landing page, go to the resource that we have here, and if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you can earn 70%. Now, with the gold plan, it's a $49.95. That's $35 US per referral. If you're an Aussie, that equates to around about $50 per referral. 70% is the referral fee. All you have to do is scroll down to the bottom of the WAP landing page, my WAP landing page, and click on Add to My Affiliates. It'll give you a link, and then just send the link out to whoever, social media, your email database, other chat groups. But be careful, don't get banned for promoting stuff on other chat groups. But yeah, that's available and could be quite lucrative, given that there's a 70% reward equating to 50 Australian dollars per referral, or about 35 US. Okay, guys, definitely jump on board the affiliate program with that. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.